welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing something that I have not done in a very long time, and that is completed pages because, well, life got in the way, and honestly I would color but I wouldn't finish anything. And finally I was like, hey look, I've got stuff, whether it be from challenges or lots and lots of videos I've been recording and practicing around with markers. So let's just get started. So these are everything I colored in June. Some are still whips, some just have a few things I gotta finish. So these are in no particular order. In the amazingly adorable grayscale coloring book by Darius Sakasoy, I have this whip here. This is with Prismacolor. As you can see, I have quite a bit left to do. I did share like the color combo though on my Instagram. Now this one is actually done. Yay! This is another one from the same book, also with Prismacolor. Just kind of doing my flicking technique. The background is Prisma. The pens are those Lungio brand. I was testing them out. Then an acrylic white paint pen, but yep, all Prisma. Okay, next we have Magical Dawn by Hannah Carlson. Where are you? Okay, I know there's a page in here. I spent several days working on it. And it was with Prismacolor. I wonder if it was in my other copy and I grabbed the wrong copy. I bet you I did. Let me double check the back here. It's actually in my other copy. Well, that's a bummer. Okay. I'll just pretend that didn't happen. Okay. Then we have Shooting Star by Maria Trolle. This is a whip. I started here. This is with Prismacolor as well. I was going to do it all in like midnight galaxy colors. I just kind of got bored and stopped. I don't know if I'll pick this one back up anytime soon, just because I've been so busy with other things. Then we have one of the few Coloring Heaven books I have left, and this is the Fairytopia special, which basically is all the same artist, but don't get too excited, those are old. I was trying to find the one I was working on. Oh my gosh, where did she go? Hold your horses. I should like really mark these down better. How'd that lovely go? Okay, here we go. Okay, so I had started this one with Prismacolor as well, doing kind of like a blue-violet color scheme, but it is a whip. I actually have a lot of whips in this book, but maybe one day. Okay, now I have been doing a lot of coloring in these. I did a video about my little obsession with all of these, and well, I wanted to do some pages because I had some lovely snarky comments about, oh, if you're obsessed, why aren't you coloring in them? I'm obsessed, but I don't have time. That's an old one. Okay, so I'm doing this thing where I color a page a day. So follow me on Instagram because you'll see these already. But these are ones for June. Of course, now we're into July, but this was one of them. Now this was done with my Ohuhu, but not my normal Ohuhu. I was practicing with like their soft chisel and a few other things. That's an old one. I know there's another one in here. Oh, okay. Also another one that I did. I love the back, how it looks like that. Again, Ohuhu markers. This is like a Create Space paper, so it's very thirsty. Some acrylic white paint pens. And then I did this cannoli as another one. I've been practicing just kind of creating combos. and trying to take on that new cozy coloring style. This kind of broke the rules a bit. I was starting to do more traditional marker blends. I have this one too. This was day 1. I was going to do these in order, and then I'm like, no, I'm going to switch between books. But again, that's with the Ohuhu as well. And I'm just, again, I'm so used to traditional marker coloring that this cozy coloring, as we'll call it, is a little bit of a learning curve. All right, Garden Bliss. Now, this I have a couple in. I actually really like this book. It was really cute. It's really fun. That's an old one. Ooh, okay, here we go. Yep. All right, so this is actually done with Spectrum Noir. I really like how this turned out. Again, I did Arctic's white paint pens. No background because, well, I'm still figuring out how I do backgrounds on these if I want to at all. This is a whip. I did my highlights and then kind of gave up, but that's also with my Spectrum Noir tri-blends. I'm going to be doing a video, so hint, hint, keep an eye out for that, because I'm going to show you some fun with those. And I'm actually creating a whole color chart, full-on color chart, but they're going to be separated by color family as if they were individual markers. All right, this one as well is Spectrum Noir. I did very light highlighting. I probably should go back and do more highlights. I was just kind of testing techniques in this one. You can even see where it's like thirsty. I don't necessarily like how it turned out, but this is the point of doing one a day, right? And then we got this one here. This is also Spectrum Noir. I was just playing around with the shading. I did add a little bit of Arctic's white pen for accents, but it's amazing to watch and see like how these improve. Okay, Cozy Love by Coloring Book Cafe. I think there's only one in here. Oops, what's that one? Nope, old. That's a whip from a while ago. Oh, so this one is actually colored with Arctic's paint pens, and that's it. Acrylic paint markers. I have a picture on my Instagram. You can see what it actually looked like before, because it did not look like this. Like I even extended the leaves, did layers. But I would just like to go on record and say it takes a very long time to do acrylic markers. All right, Southern Lotus Cottage Vibes again, having fun with the markers. I find this very relaxing. In fact, I went to go pick up my pencils the other day and was like, oh, I can't go back. I will, don't worry, but oh, I only colored this page, but I did more. I was practicing it with my Spectrum Noir tri-blends again. I was actually doing this basket weave technique. So, turned out pretty cute though. All right, Cozy Cuties. This one, I've got one. This is from Coco Wayo. I have a page that I did for a color along, which is right here. And this is a full-length color along that will be on The Quiet Colorist. I'm just editing it. That is where everything is in ASMR. But this is Ohuhu markers and then acrylic paint pens and a little bit of white gel pen because my acrylic paint pens started to soak in. But I really like how this one turned out. It's by far my favorite. I had a lot of fun. A lot of these other ones, I'm sitting on the couch. This was at my desk. But yeah, and I was playing around with like water techniques and seeing what I wanted to do. But yeah, I do have another one, but I'm actually going to put it in the July pile because it's a whip. And again, you can follow me on Instagram. Definitely check it out because I'm trying to do a page a day. And that's how fast markers are. And I do have one that I'm currently working on. It's a whip. Hang on, let me see if I can pull it out of there. Just started this bad boy today. But yeah, it's amazing how much you can color in such a short period of time. So, I'd love to know if you're into the cozy coloring, if you've been following my tutorials. I do have intro tutorials from this that will post on Colorfully Optimistic as well. They're like short tutorials, but the full-length color along you'll want to get on The Quiet Colorist. by far my favorite. I do want to do some more Prismacolor, but I'm also doing Crayola stuff for my Crayola channel. So, hey, I did a lot of pages considering I haven't colored in a long time, so I'm proud of myself. But what is your favorite page for the month? And are you going to start doing more markers? And start like joining the cozy trend, or what's your plans? All right, guys, thanks for hanging out with me for a quick everything I colored, and including whips. I will be doing background videos again very soon. And I also have so many other videos in the works that's why I'm just like, oh, I gotta get this all done. But yeah, until next time, guys, take care. Bye now.